Hello everyone, I am Jahangir. I am Director of Property Expo Istanbul. I welcome you all here. I would like to explain that at Property Expo Istanbul, we are providing A to Z services for the foreigners who want to buy real estate in Istanbul and take Turkish citizenship. Not just that, when you come to this Property Expo, we are giving all the services which can be law services, designer services, bank account opening, notary services. Even we have our own company for luxury car designing. So when you enter our Property Expo, before going out, we give you A to Z services under this roof. So I welcome you all, and we assure you that we will provide you services which you can never find anywhere else in Turkey. Thank you so much.
Evet, şu anda Property Expo'daki fuardaki röportajımıza devam ediyoruz. Yanımızda Fortuna Grubun yönetim kurulu başkanı Pakistanlı Sayın Adil Sami Bey var. Öncelikle merhabalar Adil Bey.
Merhaba, how are you?
Fine, thanks in you efendim.
Dear, really good. My name is Adil Sami and I'm the CEO and the founder of the Fortune Group of companies. And we are working with Property Expo exclusively as the partner. We have our exclusive projects here. So all those people from all around the world who wanted to come here for the investment, for their property, for their passport, any kind of thing, for the luxury yachts, for the luxury houses, up to millions of dollars. So we have created a place. Our team is here. And you can come and visit this. Everything is under one roof. Everything is transparent. So previously people were worried about how we can come here, how we can work here. So I believe this is the best opportunity for all those people who are around the world who wanted to come here and invest here. So with the transparency and with the all proper prices and everything transparent, I'll say this is the perfect place for you.
Yani buradaki projeler Türkiye'deki en eksklusif, en VIP, en marka olmuş projeler burada değil mi efendim?
Yes, the thing is that in the last recent days, the government have changed a few things in the property sector. So in this Property Expo, we have the exclusive projects, VIP projects of the Turkey. You will not find any single kind of problem, you will not find any single kind of issue in this. Expertise report is fine, tapu is fine, and prices are according to the government fair.
Evet, ve buranın en büyük farkı 365 gün hizmet veren bir fuar alanı gibi olacak değil mi?
Yes, this place is open for 360 days from morning till the evening, and we are waiting for you to visit us here, or you can contact us, you can contact our team, and our team will bring you here and show you the projects there.
Ve yurt dışındaki müşterilerin en büyük handikapı güven sorunu.
Exactly.
Tapu var mı, iskan var mı? Buradaki projeler hepsi tamamen anahtar teslim, tapusuyla, güveniyle hepsi hali hazırda projeler değil mi efendim?
Exactly. As I have told you before also that in this exclusive projects you don't have to worry about anything. Reason because we are the one and the government is the one who has given us the authority. This is the reason all of the projects are under the government surveillance and we are working with the government here.
Evet. Peki buradaki hedeflerimiz ne? Sadece Pakistan olarak mı kalacağız? Fortuna Group olarak, Property Expo olarak tamamen all the world diyebilir miyiz artık? Dünyaya hitap edebilecek miyiz?
Exactly. Here, the people from all around the world, clients from all around the world are coming here exclusively because we have exclusive projects for Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Iran, and all the neighboring countries, all the Asian countries. But still, after all, we have clients from all around the world, from Asia, from Europe, from Africa, and from UAE.
Peki yurt dışındaki müşterilerimizi, izleyen müşterilerimiz için şu an Türkiye'ye yatırım zamanı. Dolar malumunuz yüksek, alımlar yurt dışı için gayet makul fiyatlara düştü. Ne düşünüyorsunuz?
Exactly, because nowadays if you have heard about the Turkish lira is going really up. And today rate is 9.4 something against $1. So I believe this is the best time for all of you who wanted to invest here. Because if you invest here, you can get a good property on a good prices. And for this $250,000 or $300,000, you can get a better deal today.
Evet. Peki senin eklemek istediklerin var mı?
Exactly, we have. Like we are working in different 8 sectors and property is one of them.